Welcome to Time for Math Facts.
Meet Krabby. He will help you create an avatar, the Time for Math Facts version of you. And then you will head to his fact fair where you can earn a ticket to Reflex Island. Reflex Island is where all of your games are. Dwight the Bunny will help you earn your ticket to Reflex Island, so you'll get started by playing games with him. Once you're on Reflex Island, you can choose which games to play. At first, you will get to play 2 games. New games will unlock the more that you play. The goal is to answer enough math problems to turn on the green light each day. The bulletin board will tell you the exact number of days needed to unlock new games. When the green light turns on, you'll be able to visit the store. Here you can spend the tokens that you've earned while playing games and buy items to customize your avatar. Keep in mind that you usually won't be able to earn more than 120 tokens per day, and that the green light resets daily. During your 3rd Time for Math Facts session, you'll plant an acorn on Reflex Island for your progress tree. The progress tree grows with you as you progress with your math facts. Once the tree reaches a certain size, usually after about 10 days, you can customize it with purchases from the store. It's now time for you to have some fun.